So glad that all of you are here today for our 7th edition of the Green Award. So yay to the Green Goddesses. It could be a very small initiative that we do, but I must tell you that all of us are extremely proud about it. Yes, girls? Yes. And as usual, when we're looking at people who we can, greening and cleaning and things like that for the environment. And then up for me. And I think that's name. Mr. Soumya. He's from Odisha, okay? And please, you can stand up and do great work. So by the time he's our age, I'm sure he would have covered how you know who we're talking about. So can you please
I really wanted my village is just 500 meters away from the coast. So when I was 6-7 years old, so every year for the cyclone and tsunami alarm, we have had to evacuate our village, our family and ourselves to the safer place. So every year 2-3 times we were facing the things. When I grown up and also in my high school, in my 8th-9th class, I started thinking that.
I was just talking to my CFO.
Ready Odissi is a collective of and reviving today on behalf of the organization, Nirupama Reddy, COO of Bhanu Reddy Residency, and his genuinely legendary award from Miss Meena Reddy.
We believe in our company that we have to give back to society. Many of you will ask me what all of us in the company wear this. So it's basically the philosophy of our chairman, Mr. Bhanu Reddy. He says we're all blessed with a lot of abundance, but it is our duty to give back to society, to give back to the universe 10 times what we have been blessed with. So we have done in a very small way. We believe in our organization, to give back. So whether it is,
designer, educator and creator, a fiber art studio based in Chennai, to play a small EV.
So we started in the year 2014 as a small group of college students while I'm doing final year BTech in SRM. We want to do something for the society other than blaming others, what we have done from our side. That's the beginning of this organization. So currently we were working in Chennai, Hyderabad and Delhi as well. So we, with all your support, with all your encouragement, we will do more and more in upcoming days. Thank you so much. Thank you for
various reasons. The first reason being of course, the Green Goddesses team. Thank you, Meena Reddy and team. The second most important reason is Mr. Soumya and I don't even know if I'm eligible, but we both were finalists. Of course, he won the award. We both were finalists in the Amazing Indian Times Now Amazing Indian Awards back in 2022.
motivation. Everything around me was very disturbing. It's one of the triggers that led me as to grow organically.
May we please call upon Anu Agarwal. So Greenies, anytime you come across anyone who you see deserves to be appreciated, please